Kitchen and bath designers come to KBIS to source the market's latest innovations. Come along as we discover how brands are mixing technology and design. I'm Kailtin Peterson, and you're watching Editor TV. So KBIS is the debut of Control4's Tiny Smart Home. Can you tell us a little more about it?
So Control4 offers smart home automation for residential homes, anything from lighting and multi-room audio and video and security. And so this is the perfect package for us to bring all of that to life. And one of the favorite things for me is, of course, the smart lighting. So from a keypad or from voice control. The other thing that a lot of our customers really love is intercom anywhere. So when somebody comes to the front door, they ring the doorbell, you can see who's there and you can talk to them. You could turn on the sprinklers and get them off your porch, all that kind of great stuff.
Can you tell me a little bit about your partnership with CEDIA?
So NKBA has partnered with CEDIA to grow the relationship and bridge that gap between designers and integrators so we can seamlessly integrate technology into both the kitchen and bath.
And what does that look like? When should I be calling that technologist to get involved if I'm a designer?
The earlier the better. If you're an interior designer, you want to get it early. If you're a kitchen and bath designer, you want to get it early. If you're an architect, we're really having that conversation early. And if you're a builder, call me now.
You are in the middle of the show floor, surrounded by a ton of innovation. What are you seeing in terms of trends, and what are designers gravitating towards?
To think of a couple, voice control is a really interesting one, and I think that's something that will resonate with designers and architects, in that actually maybe we're moving towards a time where there won't actually be any user interfaces. Maybe there won't be any touchscreens on the wall. Also, what I'm seeing is actually the rise of the more sort of tactile interface, which is an interesting counter to actually the touchscreen. We're all used to having touchscreens in our pockets, iPhones, using apps. Maybe we're getting a little weary of the touchscreen. Maybe actually what people really want is more sort of mechanical switches. So you've got kind of the best of both worlds.
And can you just tell me a little bit more about the technology integration you're seeing in general in the programming?
Oh my gosh, so much. I love when I can plug into furniture. I love when we can have chargeable things, when I have an app for something that's going to work out and make my life easier. And we've slowly adopted. We know that some of those apps that we love to use really do make our lives easier. So to see a lot of these companies even just down to stone that warms up, before you get out of bed in the morning. Yes, please,
To be able to use voice-activated controls to open drawers and turn on lights and everything. And it's only going to get bigger and better, and people are going to have it in their home, and they're not going to know how they lived without it.
That's the download of new tech innovations from KBIS. For Editor TV, I'm Kailtin Peterson, and we'll see you next time.